So hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna explain you how to send location in Telegram. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly open your Telegram and select a chat that you're gonna send your location. I just selecting this, and now just click on this pin icon before the mic symbol, and here you can see categories like gallery, files and location. Just tap on that location and here it will ask some permissions. Just enable it. So I just enabling it. Okay, done. So now just you can have these two options over here. One is send selected location and another one is share my live location. If you need to share your live location, just click on that option and then your live location will be send it automatically. So this is how you can send live location in Telegram app. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching.